Everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about forward proxies, a type of proxy server that sits in front of the client and forwards requests to the internet on the client's behalf. If you are looking to mask IP addresses, implement content filtering, or speed up web browsing, forward proxies might be the tool you need. So let's dive in. As always, we answer the what question. So, what is a forward proxy? A forward proxy is a server that stands between you, which is the client, and the internet. Something will look like that. Okay. Okay. Let me just delete this. Yep. So it will be a way cleaner vision. So yeah, it sits between the client and the internet. Okay. When you make a request, for example, visiting a website, the forward proxy catches that request, send it to the destination server, and then relies the response back to you. This setup helps first mask your IP address or location. Number two, filter or monitor the web traffic. Number three, potentially cache responses for faster access in the future. Okay, let's try to understand how does it work. So the client, which is your device or browser, is set up to route traffic through the forward proxy's IP address, and it will send the request. So that when it try to send the request, the proxy server will do some sort of request interception. The proxy receives your request and forwards it to the target website on the internet. Okay. After that, the internet will send back a response to the proxy, and the proxy will send it to the client. So the website will response goes back to the proxy, which then sends back to you. Essentially, all requests and responses are funneled through the proxy server, making it the gateway for your internet activity. Okay, what are the benefits that we get from that? What are the benefits? So we have, maybe I would say we have four things we could talk about. The first thing, let me just go like this. Yeah, so we have a space. The first thing, it will be the privacy and anonymity. By routing traffic through the proxy, your real IP address remain hidden to external sites. Also, it's great in content filtering and monitoring. Schools, workplaces, or parents might use forward proxies to block certain websites, monitoring usage. Also, it's really great when it comes to caching and performance. Like proxies can store cached versions of popular sites, delivering faster load time and saving bandwidth. Also, it's great in access controls. Like organizations can restrict which websites employees can visit or require authentication before accessing the website. Forward proxies offer a lot of control over outbound traffic, making them essential tools for privacy, security, and resource management. So the forward proxies offer all of that for us. We need to talk about some drawbacks and considerations. The first thing, we will talk about single point of failure. If the proxy server goes down, all client traffic is disrupted. We can use like a fail back or like add some sort of redundancy. So whenever this server fails, we have another server take over of it. Number two, we have latency overhead because having an extra server in the path can introduce additional delay. Number three, we have privacy versus trust because the proxy can see all your traffic. You need to trust the proxy provider to handle your data responsibility. Ensure you choose a reputable proxy server and weigh the pros against potential risks or performance hits. You need to, yeah, you need to intro that. So let's just wrap it up. So yeah, that's forward proxies in a nutshell. By inserting a server in front of your client, you can hide your IP address, filter traffic, and potentially speed up browsing through caching. Just remember to weigh the benefits against added latency and trust issues. If you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe, and leave any question in the comment section below. Until next time, stay secure out there.